Once upon a time, headphone amps and DACs were an absolute necessity, not only for audiophiles, but for anyone who wanted decent quality audio as well. Nowadays, onboard sound cards are so good that barely anyone needs the external hardware. But audio quality isn't the only thing that headphone amps can improve. Think hardware controls for audio levels with visual monitoring, bonus connectivity, and the ability to use high impedance studio headphones. This list brings you 5 of the best options for when your computer's internal sound hardware just won't cut it anymore. Number 1. Audio Engine D1. The Audio Engine D1 is an all-in-one solid-state amp and DAC package with a Type B USB, SPDIF, RCA, and 3.5mm jack connections, and a recommended impedance of 10 to 600 ohms. It even comes with a 0.6 m USB cable and cloth travel bag, plus it works with all operating systems. We like that there are a lot of options in terms of connectivity, but it's also worth noting that the Type B connector is a bit of a bummer. That aside, we can hardly find any other downsides. It provides good quality sound, a semi-affordable price tag, a durable build, lots of connectivity options, and plenty of power. Number 2. AudioQuest Dragonfly Cobalt. One of the first things we noticed is that there's no recommendation for the highest headphone impedance. We assume that this is due to the fact that there is no external power for this DAC, and one would assume that it's not going to be usable with very high impedance headphones. But thankfully we were able to at least use it with 250 to 300 ohm headphones without any issues. Portability aside, if there's one impressive thing about this mini amp, then that's the fact that you can use it with smartphones as well. The only requirement is that your phone needs to support OTG technology and audio output through its port. Just don't forget that using this app with a smartphone disables all inline controls that your earbuds may have. Number 3. Sennheiser EPOS GSX 1000. We know gamers love their aesthetics, and the EPOS GSX 1000 is one of the most futuristic looking audio amplifiers we've seen. With a touchscreen LED display that covers almost the entire unit, gamers with a black and red setup will not find an amp more aesthetically suited to their setup. Perhaps more importantly though is the brilliant sound quality and 7.1 surround sound capability, with a binaural rendering engine that elevates your gaming experience with a wide soundstage to immerse you in a realistic sounding battlefield and accurately position your enemies around your environment. And that wraps up a list of the best headphone amps for gamers. As usual, all the product links are down in the description along with our article for more information. Please hit that like button and subscribe to help us make more videos like this, and so they'll hit your feed in the future. Thanks for watching Headphones Lab.